All right, for your safety, the Wolf Pup is equipped with the Driven backup camera. A little screen, you just plug it into your cigarette lighter adapter. It took me a while to figure this out, but the only way you trigger the power to kick on the camera in the back is by having this plugged in and turning your vehicle's lights to manual on. So if you're like me in my truck, I leave it on auto. And what that does is it doesn't kick the power down one of those 7-pin connectors on your trailer hitch. So it actually does not power this the camera in the back. So again, to solve that, you just kick your lights on the manual mode, which will power it up, and immediately you'll see your camera in the back. And if you hear most of the horror stories of people getting in damage in a camper, it's because they don't have a lot of experience backing up. And so the rule there is just don't get into a spot where you have to back up. If you're going to fill up your gas or whatnot, that you take a couple extra seconds before you pull in and just see if there's a way that you can get around without having to get into a tight spot and backing up. Because like I tell my wife, I mean, the camper's gonna go wherever the truck goes. It just needs a wider area to make those turns. So if you make a tight turn like you would in a regular vehicle, then you're going to get into a bind. You're probably going to take out the side of the camper. That's why you see a lot of campers with big gouges in the side or rash marks all over the tires and so forth. And so again, just don't get into a spot where you have to reverse. If you do, then either ask someone to help you or use that backup camera. So any questions, let me know.